Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I will show you a simple step if you want to remove your Microsoft account from your Windows 11 and you want to sign in using a local account. This step also will help you if you want to remove the password of your Windows 11 PC. So first of all, you need to go to Start and you need to go to Settings over here. Click on the Settings icon over here. After that, you need to go to Accounts on the left hand side. When you go to the account, you will see all your data over here, what kind of account you're using and what is your status of your account. So here you can see that I have a Microsoft account and I am subscribed to Microsoft 365. So if I want to change it to a local account and do not want to sync my data to the Microsoft account, what I have to do is I have to go to your info over here. Now, as you can see over here, you can click on to sign in with a local account. Once you do it, it will show you a pop-up over here that your account and information is encrypted to the Microsoft account. So therefore, it will help you basically in order to recover your things if something goes wrong. So first of all, you need to actually back up your recovery key. For that, you need to go back and do it. Or if you don't want to do it, you can skip this step and then proceed forward in order to make your local account. So now, as I don't want to use it as a local account, I want to keep it as a Microsoft account. So therefore, I won't be using it. But if you want to do it, you can skip this step and then you can proceed further with the steps, and it will at the end will restart your PC in order to make it a local account. Once you process with this step, it will sign out your current account and then you can add a new account. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.